Have you ever wondered why? Most times you sit on your chart and for hours you are unable to see a setup that you can trade. Now, one of the things you need to understand is that trading requires a strategy, and of course it also requires focus. Okay, so this is the whole essence of this channel, why we're here, and what we do every single day on this channel is to trade and teach you how it's done. Okay, so for those of you who like transparency, you want to subscribe, and of course just so you don't miss out on our next one. If you find value in content like this, do make sure to hit the like button and make sure to show some love, guys. So we have a very beautiful live operation currently running, and not only will this setup play out, I am pretty much sure the way it's going to be playing out will simply blow your mind. Okay, so this is binary options. That means it has two primary outcomes. It will either win or lose. But right here, our mindset is very simple. Whether it's a lose or a win, it is still a win. Understand that. We are either going to be making dollars or gaining knowledge. Okay, so that being said, quickly let's talk about our signal group. For those of you who are interested in wanting to make constant profit, we know that you have lost a lot, you have lost money, and we have put together now a group where we give away all our signals every day. So if you are interested in that, you want to earn even without any knowledge and strategy, join us. We are keeping the link below on the comment section. Take the trades and profit. That's all you need to do. If you are also interested in changing your trading story, change your trading game, and being able to go from zero to what we have right here, you can also do that. And what you need is a strategy. You need the knowledge. Okay, so also join the Telegram channel, contact the support team, and we'll show you everything you need to be a part of that. All right, that being said, let's quickly walk you through what I saw that made me to place this trade in a short while. Okay, so look right here, we had this breakout right here. This happened to be a fake breakout. These things do happen. Okay, you need to understand that in trading anything is possible. You can have a decent breakout. They can also serve as, you know, a fake out. Okay, that's why you need to also understand that you can do everything correctly and still lose. Okay, so I think our last operation the last video we uploaded, someone asked in the comment section why I didn't explain why we lost the trade. There are some times where you take a trade and you don't know why you lost. You just have to document it and move. That's just what we do right here. Okay, document it, make sure you didn't break your rules, and just move to the next one. All right, so you can do everything right and still lose. That is just trading for you. Okay, so we had this breakout, and of course we have a retest, and on this level we had some beautiful weaknesses right here, and this candle right here is a hammer. When this candle closed here, I knew I had to enter a trade immediately, and I simply hit that buy option. Okay, so that's that. If you also look, you will see that we also had a retracement phase right here, which means that the sellers are stepping in, and this right here is the moment where we should be anticipating to enter a trade. Okay, if you also zoom out, you also see that what we are having right here is a strong uptrend. So that right there is also showing to us that we should be joining the buyers to make the price move upward. So this is all we put together, and of course at the end of the trade we'll be breaking it again step by step so you can understand and also apply. So in few seconds we should be seeing what happens at the end of this trade. This candle right here has gone below our entry, and it's already also going back up. So hopefully if this candle closes strongly, we should be winning this trade. So we have 11 seconds here, and at the end of this trade I'll walk you again through this trade and our mindset so you can learn and apply. So in 3, 2, 1, and beautiful one right here, guys. We smash right here. It's a beautiful win. Okay, that's right there we just had. So what was my mindset? Briefly, I mentioned that binary options is binary option because it has two outcomes. You either lose or win. Understand that even if you lose a trade, it is still a win, calculated to be a win as well, because you have gained knowledge. You need to understand that. All right. Now, that being said, you need to also document your trade. That is why we always recommend that you document your trade, because the essence of it all is to get better every single day. You need to get better. You just can't leave everything for chance. You need to document and use these details, this information, to sharpen your strategies and get better, because market conditions changes every single time. So, okay, that right there is our mindset. We give it all. We do our analysis correctly, enter the trade, wait for the trade to run out, and that's it. Okay, now guys, see how beautiful price respected us. We enter the trade right here. We enter this trade right here, guys, and see how price has moved in a direction. Okay, this is only possible through the help of price action. You don't depend on indicators and expect to be successful in trading. You need a strategy that works, and you need to build a strategy around price action. So join us today on our mentorship program, and we'll show you everything you need to be a part of that. Okay, now that being said, more important than the win is the why. Why have I placed this trade, and how can you do the same? Okay, now pay close attention to the trend, right, guys? The first thing you want to see is the trend. It's a beautiful uptrend. Price kept moving and creating higher highs and higher lows. And of course, the next thing we want to do is to look for retracement phase, which means we need price to calm that a little bit. If price is running, we want it to slow down. That is only when we can make a prediction. Okay, retracement phases of any market are the opportunities to trade, right? Understand that if Bitcoin is pumping and pumping and pumping, majority of traders, mostly beginners, they would want to enter at that time, not knowing that the times where the price is pumping is not the right time to enter. Those people who are profitable traders don't do that. What do? They wait for price to fall back. These times when price fall back, for the average beginner trader and struggling trader, those doesn't have trading knowledge, they want to run away from those times. For them, they think that's the worst time ever, because the news is saying this thing, the news is saying that thing, they're saying stay away from Bitcoin and all of that. So the average trader run away from such times. But those right there are the times where professional traders and those who know what they're doing enter, because price has become cheap. Those are the retracement phase we're saying. Price, we are moving up. So that right here is the time where price has now become cheap. So these are the areas we should look out to enter a trade. Okay, so we had this breakout here, which happened to be a fake out, and of course it also happened. Okay, it also happened. If you have placed your trade here, you would have lost. But right there, price has now retested back, and what we did was to look for the nearest support level to see how the price reacts at that support level. So if you look at this level, you will see that when the price tested the support level, okay, right here, this one, we had weaknesses, which means we are having rejections on this very level. We have this right here. It's a beautiful green candle closing strongly inside this zone. So we enter our trade at this level, and of course we won this trade. Okay, so the story behind these levels is pretty simple. We had a breakout, price retested back, and of course we started to have small candles right here, and this is also serving as a previous support. When we had these weaknesses, the next we want to see is to wait for a strong buyer's entry, which came in form of this green candle. Okay, this candle opened here, and the sellers moved the price all the way down to this level, and buyers stepped in, moved the price all the way up and closed above. Okay, so this is showing that the buyers are in, and we should enter. We entered, and of course we won this trade on the last candle. Okay, this is everything about this live operation. Of course, we hope you learn and you can apply. Understand that trading is more psychological than it is than you think. Okay, so understand your mindset, understand your emotions, and of course you will flourish in the trading game. Okay, if you find value in this video, make sure to drop it on below, hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them below on the comment section. We are very good at replying to comments on the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.